Hello guys, if the compare at price not showing, let me show you how you can fix this in just a few seconds. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your own Shopify store, and then you want to click on products, and then you want to click on the product. For example, I'm going to click on this one. This one doesn't have any different like variations like colors or sizes, so I just scroll down and they will be able to see the compare price here. I'm going to set it to 100 and the price of the product to $50. Now if I click on save, I'm going to go to this product. If you don't see this compare at price here, let me show you how you can fix this. Now I'm going to go to the product and I'm going to click on the product. As you can see, the compare at price is $100 and the price of the product is $50. Now if the product has many different variations, click on it. Now this one, for example, I'm going to use it as an example because it has many colors. Now let me search for compare at price. Now what you guys need to do to do compare at price, if a product has different variations, you want to click on each variant, and after that you want to scroll down, and then you will be able to see here the compare at price. Okay, and then you want to change it. If you have guys a product with many different variants, sizes, colors, and you cannot do that for each of these. Okay, you cannot do that one by one, so you just need to click here, select all, and then click on bulk edit. Now after that you want to click here on columns, and then select here compare at price, and then you will be able to change this for many sizes. Okay, so you can change this to whatever you want. For example, 50, that's compare at price, and then you want to click on save after you change it. Here is the compare at price here. For example, let's change this one is 50 to 50. Now if it's not showing, then I'm going to be showing how we can fix this. By the way, please drop a like. I'm trying to hit 5 likes on this tutorial, so I'm going to show you guys another way if it's not showing at all. Now you cannot see the compare at price. First you want to check which theme you are using. Make sure you use a theme that supports this. If you're already using the theme that supports this, you want to click on markets. After guys you click on markets, you want to click on any market here. Now here, more settings, you will be able to find compare at price. You will find 3 different options. Now for me it's only 2 because I already enabled it. Now if you can see here compare at price, click on it and then make sure you enable it. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this tutorial guys helped you. Like I said, please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next tutorial.